Hello everybody and welcome and thank you for enrolling in my course, The Business of Making Money in Wedding Photography. My name is Ferdy Neubauer and I'm the founder of PhotoFonts Media. And if you've taken my crash course on wedding photography, then you already know my passion for photographing people in love, such as wedding photography, and the spin-off would be engagement portraits and pre-bridal portraits. It really all comes together, and this has been my bread and butter for many, many years, and this is what I'd like to share with you in this course. I want you to imagine that whatever it was you paid for this course, imagine you paid $10,000, $20,000 for this course, because I truly feel that's what the course is worth. And if you pay very little for something or somebody gives you something for free, it really has no value. So I really want you to understand the value of this course that's going to teach you how to make money in wedding photography. In this course, I'd like to share with you the many things that I've learned through the years that work, that are going to help make you a lot of money. Not only that, but they're going to make your business a lot more enjoyable. So you're not going to be a slave to your business or just spinning your wheels, but you're going to get to enjoy your business and you're going to run the business instead of the business running you. And I'm also going to share with you the things that you might not want to do because they do not work. So you don't want to waste your time and your effort and your money on those things. And also, guess what? At the end of this course, you're not going to have a major student loan that you have to worry about and paying back for years and years. You're going to be able to, in a very short time, you're going to be able to make money in this business of wedding photography. Whether you want to do just a few weddings a year or quite a few, you have the potential for making some pretty good income in doing wedding photography part-time, or perhaps you want to look at doing wedding photography and all the things that are associated with it, like the bridal portraits we mentioned, the engagement session, and this is going to help you achieve that goal. So I really can't wait to get started. So we have a lot to talk about, so let's get going.